Today we're working on a Chevy Aveo instrument cluster. The problem this cluster has is the display for the odometer will start to lose pixels and the display will be incomplete, and if you tap the dash the display will return for a short time and then it will start to fade out again. This is going to be a very simple fix once you have the cluster removed. And on the back side you'll have screws around the perimeter. Remove those Phillips screws. The panel just lifts right off the back. This cover just comes straight up. And you'll see a row of pins. These are where the display is soldered to the circuit board. And if I can zoom in, I'll show you exactly where they are failing. You can see clearly on this first pin the damage on it. It's beginning on the next pin and also on the next. On this cluster I'm going to resolder all of them just to make sure we don't have any problems in the future. But that's the source of the problem of the fading pixels. When I solder, I like to use liquid solder flux to make sure I get a really good solder joint. Very easy to put on. You just brush it on, brush it over each of the electrical connections you want to resolder. And then I'm going to thoroughly heat it, add just a little dab of solder, lift straight up. Making sure that you don't put too much solder on. You don't want a bridge connection from one pin to the other. They have to stay separated. You can see how they're nice and shiny. And that's it. Repair is done.